It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday, and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch. And stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. I have one medium-sized lemon right here, which I'm going to be using just to give you guys a brief before I even start. That lemon is vitamin C and is also very good to detox the body, weight loss, you name it. All of these things what you guys are looking for, we have it right here inside of this one thing. Lemon, very powerful, very effective, and yeah, I would love to encourage you to drink it for at least 30 to 14 days to 30 days every morning on an empty stomach. It's very good for you guys to drink in the morning on an empty stomach. I don't know if you guys are interested in these kind of recipes like lemon water. All right, you can use lukewarm water, you can use hot water, and you can also use bottled water, which is also very good and very important. Also, you guys can also use at home. I drink this before up to about what, 30 days. Yeah, I drink it for 30 days and it was amazing just drinking it and getting the whole flavor and the taste of the lemon. It was fantastic. All right, but I want to keep you guys updated with this kind of healthy recipe. Number one, it's very good for our immune system. It fights against a lot of bacteria in your immune system, in your gut. All right, so that's why I'm here to give you guys this other beautiful recipe tonight. Something totally different where you guys can make at home. Now, lemon is very, very powerful. A lot of people don't know that, but I'm going to tell you this. Lemon is very powerful. Lemon is very effective and also very good for our immune system. Number one, if you are cleaning your house and you get some lemon, yes, put it into some water and wipe your surface. Very good. Number two, same like how you're wiping your surface, is the same energy that lemon will be giving you inside of your gut. Is cleanse up the gut and detoxing up the gut. All right, that's what, as I say, it's going to give you that an amazing vitamin C, what you are looking for with this one ingredients. All right, so let's jump straight into it and share with you how you guys can make it at home. All right, lemon water, very, very powerful and very effective for us. Okay, so what I would do, I will come right here and use a cotton board. All right, so get your lemon and wake up the juice like this. Okay, this is what you want to do with the lemon, guys. All right, wake up the juice. All right, so you want to squeeze it and wake up the juice. All right, that's the lemon right there. Once you do that, okay, what you can do, okay, is simple. All right, cut into half like this. All right, yeah, so that's simple. We're going to be using half of it. All right, so what you want to do, remove the seeds from it. Okay, all right, now so we're going to be doing two different things with you guys this evening. All right, but as I say, you don't have to do both. Choose which one would you like to do. All right, that's the thing. So what we're going to do, we're going to squeeze that lemon juice into this one right over here. Excellent. All right, all right, lovely. And then next one, we're going to squeeze this half right over here. So half in that one and half in this one. All right, yeah, excellent. All right, that's looking good. That's all right. Now all right, excellent. So what you can do is simple. Pour some hot water into this one over here. Excellent. And then this one, we're going to fill it up with some water. Okay, excellent. All right, now what you can also do is get at least, all right, so you can put 2 slices of lemon in this one and 2 slices in this one. All right, guys, now I'm going to say something to you. It may look very simple, but the benefit behind it is amazing. All right, and that's why I would have encouraged you guys to drink the lemon water. 1 in the morning, 1 at 12 o'clock, 1 in the evening, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, and then 1 in the evening again, even before you go to bed. So that's another way you can also drink the lemon water. All right, very powerful and also very effective. Okay, just to let you guys know, that's the book. All right, you guys can also get yourself a copy of the book. All right, I don't want to get you guys get mixed up, but drink 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, 1 at 12 o'clock, 1 at 5 o'clock, 3 times a day. Really good. And you can also make it and put it into your fridge. All right, as you guys can see, beautiful one from Chef Ricardo to you guys today, and I want you guys to enjoy the recipe. It's very simple but very powerful. All right, yes, very powerful and very good for your gut. Not only that, last night we also was saying, yes, it is really good. So that means lots of people enjoy that recipe. Cucumber water, fantastic one. So guys, what do you think about this lemon water? I give you 2 different versions of the lemon water. All right, so one is hot and one is cold. So if you want to drink it lukewarm in the morning, you're good to go. And if you want to drink it just like this in the night before you go to your bed, pretty good to go. It's up to you, whatever you like to drink at home. So I hope you guys will enjoy it, and leave in the comments